Good morning, DBB children. Welcome back to DBB YouTube channel. I'm Miss Dwi. Okay, today we are going to make a flower craft from recycled things. Before we start, let's prepare the things. The first is paper glass, bottle cup, glue, straw, and paper. The first step, you have to cut the paper glass in half. Cut. Okay. The second step is stick the straw on the paper with glue. Next, put the bottle cap and then apply the glue and then stick on the paper like this. Okay, and then repeat the step in another straw. Don't forget to apply the glue. Put the bottle cap. Okay, next we stick the recycled paper glass on the bottom like this. Don't forget to apply the glue. Okay, and our flower craft from recycled thing is finished. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.